We are live. Welcome to the mini Thunderdome. Today is October 27th, 2022. If you're new to the channel, we stream live ES and MES live trades. If you do follow my trades, doing so at your own risk. I'm not liable for any losses or damages to your account. This is pure entertainment. All right, everyone. Good morning. Good morning to you all. I hope somebody listened to me yesterday. As soon as I closed the room, market went straight down. I knew it. I absolutely knew it that I was going down. Don't know if I would have had that 55 pointer, but I would have had at least 20 or 30 points out of that. But I wasn't trading, so I'm not going to comment on that anymore. But yes, I knew. Yes, new look. The long hair was just my COVID hair. I've only had long hair twice in my life. So, all right. Yes, good morning, everyone. Hit me up with some like buttons. Bom dia a todos. Bonjour. Ciao. Buenos dias. All right, guys, let's get started here. Let's get started. Thank you. All right, let's look at some numbers real quick. So, POC or VPOC in the volume hasn't changed much. It went from 38.41 to 38.44 right now. Okay. We have resistance at 3,900 with support at 38.34 and 3,800. Yesterday's resistance held. I think the lower end was 38.55 and we closed at 41. All right, short targets 38.34, 38.21, 38.07, 37.99, and 37.90. And long shot in the short term is going to be 37.78. So these are exactly the same targets as yesterday on the short side. Nothing has changed. Long targets 38.55. We're already on top of that. 38.66. 38.76, 38.92, 38.97, and the long shot on the upside is going to be 39.24. Obviously, if we could pass 3,900. All right. Yes, new luck, John. Yeah, I've been called that all my life, but he's bald. I'm not. All right, let's look at some scenarios here. Okay, so either we're just gonna break out of this zone right now. We're opening up in value and just try to break 3,900. Scenario 2 is we're gonna hit 66 and then just crash. And then scenario 3 is just chop. We're opening up in value. So I think it's gonna be scenario. I think it's gonna be scenario 2. I'm going to be looking for shorts this morning. Market is up right now. Delta is only up about 800. So I think it'll either be 2 or 3. I'm not seeing it. If we're going to break 3,900, we should have broken yesterday. We're all the way up there. Market thought that we were overpriced. We corrected straight through IB, which needs a lot of push. It's not easy to clear IB. So yeah, I'm looking for shorts. Yep. So yeah, be careful with the longs, but hey, we are day traders and we can adapt, right? So yesterday I was short in the beginning and then I adapted, took I don't know if it was 1 or 2 longs, but the whole time in my mind, I know this market is going to crash. So today, I'm going to be looking for shorts. And I can't tell you to do the same, but my suggestion is either neutral or short. If we figured out that's going to be a neutral day, be careful. I would go for 9 to 10 point targets, okay? Thank you, everyone. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right. All right, here we go, guys. Okay. Yeah, new haircut. New haircut. Yep, short. Almost went shorter, but I didn't want to scare anybody. Okay. That's it. That's all I. Oh, let's see. Reports. I don't think there's anything out. We already had the major report. GDP. So after, yeah, there is nothing except for the European markets. Natural gas. I don't think that could do something. Let's set it anyways. Hey Google, set an alarm for 7:20 a.m.
There, your alarm's set for 7:20 a.m.
Okay, and then after that, all there is. Yeah, that's it. I got nothing else. Market's gonna open. I'm gonna take a quick restroom break here, and I'll be back. All right, guys. All right, I'm back. Okay, let's see if there's any questions here. Yeah, new haircut. Explicit Studios. Yes, you gotta always have your own strategy. You gotta have your own edge. That's very important for you to find your own edge. Whatever it is, you need an edge. You have to know why the market needs to pay you, and that is through your edge. All right, thank you. My favorite part of day too. We haven't lost and we haven't made any money. It's perfect. All right, new haircut, cabelinho novo. Tava na hora, né? Porra. Did you join the Marine? No. I actually left the Marines in the 90s. All right, what else here? I do not trade the NQ. I'm sorry. I got no information on the NQ. Yes, it's 4 ticks. 4 ticks is 1 point on the ES. Thank you, thank you. Your charts updating? No. My charts are set to RTH, so they don't start until the market opens up. Why is your MES not moving? Or I just answered that. 58. Yep. Well, having long hair did make me lose a lot of hair. Every time I was washing my hair or every time I comb my hair, I was losing a lot of hair. So, actually, I thinned out because of the long hair. I don't think it's healthy to have long hair, especially because I had it up all the time. I heard that if you have your hair up all the time, you lose more hair. So, yeah. All right, thank you. My Apex trading not connecting. Pode ser o Rhythmic, hein? Try to turn on and off your Rhythmic, Coelho. Could be that. You look like John Travolta. Yeah. Yep. All right. Buy a wig. Yes, today's the day for hot knives. All right, if you just join us, I'm going to be looking for shorts. Today is the short day. You're welcome. I don't know if Apex has a new a new Rhythmic, but what I heard about Rhythmic, I was doing some research on, is that they have one server for daily and historical, and that is slowing the server down, and they have to update with a new server department, and it's quite expensive, and they don't want to do it, but it may end up that they have to do it. So hopefully it's sooner than later. So that's why we've been having all of these issues with Rhythmic. They need a new server. I don't know how to call it, department or sector. I'm not sure how you would call it, but yeah. Okay. So they did it. Really? I don't think so. I mean, it's a big process. You gotta have a whole new warehouse or office floor with hundreds of servers. I don't think that's a weekend job. So don't know about that. Yeah. But let's hope so. All right, guys, here we go. Best of luck for everybody. I wish you all prosperity. We are opening with POC at 57.50. It moved up from first it was at 37, and then it went to 44. All right, here we go. Here we go. No, Apex has their own server. Okay, that I didn't know. I don't follow the Apex news, but fantastic. That's good to know. All right, we're opening where, at the bottom down here. Where are we? There it is. So, you see, my charts weren't frozen. It's just that I have them set to start at RTH. All right, so here we are at the first target. So I believe it will maybe stop at 66. So that was way too fast for me to jump in this long. So end of the month, I'm going to set my first trades are going to be MES only. I don't want to give my hard-earned money back. So I'm going to start with 3, and I'll just add if I need to. But there's no point in working hard all month to give it back at the end. Oh, it's already rejecting 60. So there may be an explosion up here, or we're going to go and test opening price. So there could be a long opportunity here. I'm going to wait, but this could explode all the way up to 66 or to 68. Or maybe I'll give it one contract just to feel it out. Just to feel it out. But I'm not too optimistic on this, but let's go. Let's go. So I'm not risking much, but I'm also not expecting much. I'm going to give myself a little more room here, just in case, risking $22. Now, if I see it move back up, I'm going to add another 2. Here we go. Add another 2. Just in case it fails, I'm going to split this. Come on, keep going, keep going. A lot of interest at 70. I'm going to let a runner go if I have time to do this. Oh, 70. Actually, I want to do the opposite. Let a runner, and wow, it just hit that and just, wow, came straight down, huh? Huh. That could be a sign. That was choppy. That came straight down. Might add another 2. Oh, I only cleared 1. Okay, I only cleared 1. I thought I cleared 2. All right, now I'm afraid to add more. Right, so now I'm going to extend. I have horrible R&R here, so I'm just going to extend my target. Yeah, I'm not going to add that. That did what? 63 to, yeah. 8 points in 1 second, so pretty choppy here. Yeah, POC's all over the place. It had moved down to 51, and then it moved up 54, and then it went back to 57, and now it's at 59. I think they are selling. Oh, man. As I said that, I was thinking about exiting, and I hesitated, and I may have lost my opportunity to get out. Yep, I think, all right. I'm getting out, guys, and I'll pay commission. Could be a mistake, but I am not trusting this. I'm actually going to go and take a short. If it fills me. Oh, come on. All right, I'm not going to chase it. Ah. All right, pretty choppy market here. Be careful, guys. Pretty choppy. Let's see how it deals with 50. Yeah, be careful. This is very advanced. If you're new to trading, if you're a beginner, you should stay out of this for at least another 10 minutes. Especially if you have a small account, because you will get chopped up. Wow, this is pure chop. So this is a locals market. A local is also known as a market maker. So they're just selling to each other and picking up commission, small profits. This is what they love to do, because they're trading in such big volumes that it adds up. Oh, I'm tempted to add more here. I'm tempted to add another 2. All right, let's go. Oh, come on. Oh, it didn't fill me. Bummer. All right. I'm just going to scratch it. If it comes back up, it's trouble. All right, I'm going to reduce my risk. So we could be doing outside in, be careful. So outside in, but where's the opposite outside? We don't know yet. So be careful. Be careful, people. So we got to clear 50. 50 is the tug of war line. If we clear that, we could be seeing 43, which is yesterday's settlement. We need to find some sellers at 57. Otherwise, it's going to go and do outside in from the bottom. So nobody is control. Market is at 0. Outside in, it just means that the market is going from upper value to low value and the opposite. Low value to upper value area. You got to study volume profile. In the center would be VPOC, the center of the bell. Go and buy James Dalton's book, Mind Over Markets, and you'll learn about TPO and some volume profile. Come on. Hot knife right through 50, baby. Come on. Come on, come on. Route right through 50. Come on, let's go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Hot knife, hot knife. Come on, hit that target. I'm getting out at 44. Need to find sellers here. I'm going to move stop to entry. Come on. Almost there. Come on, baby. Let's go. Oh my God, that was so close. No way. Oh, that's nerve-wracking. Right, it could end here. We don't want to test the mid again. We don't want to test the mid. That's a 54. Needs to come down again. Oh, I'm tempted to bring it down. We're negative. Oh, I wish I had one more ES and two more MES on this. Come on. I'm not going to be greedy. I'm just going to leave it where it's at. Wish I'd gotten filled on those extra contracts. I should have chased it, but we were right at the mid. It would have been a high risk chase. So that's why I didn't do it. Okay, here we go. Here comes the sellers. Next official target, if it breaks through 45, should be 40. What is the overnight low? Overnight low. Wow, it's all the way down to 30. Oh, I'm tempted to move this to 40. All right, I'm going to go for it. This could be stupid. I think it will bounce off of 44. But let's see how far the bounce is. I hope I'm not being greedy here. Right, so we still haven't made a new high or a new low. So that's it. That's already probably our first main objective here this morning. Will probably be to make a new low here. All right, here comes the heat. God, that got so close. I wish that had gotten me out. Missed by 3 ticks. Is that what it is? 45. It hit 45 and it didn't take me out. Oh my God, that is... Okay, this could be an area to go and add. All right, I'm going to add. And I'm going to split this. Okay, why didn't it do the same thing to my... All right, something is wrong here. I might have made a mistake on adding here. Right, we'll need to find sellers now. Here we go. This could be another adding opportunity if you're not short. If we don't see a 56, this could be the adding opportunity. It looks like it just did an ABC. ABC up, correction down. If it's going to fail, it's going to fail now. And it should be violent. All right, keep going, keep going. Got to pass right through 50. There we go. Oh, no, 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 no. No buyers at 50. Next leg down. Come on, come on. Ooh. Battle at 50. Battle at 50. All right, I'm going to extend this to 40. Come on. Give me risk off on the MES. Need some chips. I need some chips. The low is the RTH low at 45 is very weak. The high has a little more weight to it. But this needs to be fixed and get me out, baby. Get me out. At least those three. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's going to hit it. Go, baby. Yes! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yes! It's going to go right to 40. Go, go, go. I told you guys it was going to be violent. Now we need a hot knife right through this. Go, 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 go. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh! Come on. Oh, come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Oh, I'm tempted to get out. All right. I'm going to raise on the ES. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Yes! Woohoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Yes! All right. Yes! That's how you start the morning. Woo! 18 minutes in. All right. ES 858. MES 308. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! Obrigado, obrigado. Thank you. Woohoo! It's still going to probably keep going. I'm the one who's just being conservative, but we have all of this weak structure here. All of this. So it could bounce up out of here. So be careful with a bounce if you're short, and it may want to test 40. Woohoo! Made some money too? All right, 85. Good for you. Thank you, thank you. Woohoo! Congrats to you all who followed me on that one. I did say it was crashing up there. I did say I got out of my long. Mad Max round one. That's right. Woo! Oh yeah, the show is on. Bring Tina Turner out. All right, here's the pullback. Here's the pullback. Oh, man. Wow, good for you. Fantastic. That's what I like. That's exactly what I like to hear. Profits, profits. All right, so it's either going to keep going, make a new low, or we're going to see a pullback. So this here is going to be the new tug-of-war line for the next 15 minutes. So either long, or we're going to see it flush right through here, or right all the way to 22. And there it is. Already negative 19 points. Thank you. Thank you. That's what I like to hear. Everybody making money. All right. So this is yesterday's low. We are yesterday's low. So it needs to flush right through. So maybe the pullback is out of here. But it looks like it has momentum. So now it's 50-50 if it's going to pull back and keep going. So if we are trending, it needs to keep going. It needs to keep going. So here's my next target is 2150. So that target is gone. This is all port structure that Pac-Man has started to gobble up. All right. Overnight low. Is it going to keep going? Wow, flush right. Oh my God, that is strong. So looks like I got out too early, but I don't care. I don't care. I'm being tight anyways. Not going to give any of my October back. Zero. Zero. I'm not going to give any back. All we have is 1 day left. I may not even trade on Monday. I don't know. Yes, I got a haircut. Thank you. All right, guys. That's how it's done. Nice. And look at that. That is momentum. That is it flushed right through, huh? It broke 50 and boom, straight down. All right, so looks like it's starting to pull back. I got nothing. Hey, $50 is amazing. Good for you. Good for you. You make $50 every other day. You could have $750 a month on extra money. Can't beat that. All right. A lot of interest at 25. I think that if it goes towards 25, it will flush through. Nice. Fantastic trading. Good for you. Oh, that's part of trading. You will get nervous. You will get nervous. Thank you. Yeah. Hit us up with some thumbs up. We got 200 people and only 47 likes. Come on, people. Finding this entertaining. You made some money. You're not paying anything. I expect at least a thumbs up. I don't expect anything, but it would be nice if you would give a thumbs up. I don't expect anything out of anybody. But I do out of the market. I put a lot of work into this, so pay up. Oh, God. All right. It looks like we could be coiling up for something. That's right. Fantastic, Richard. Yep. Be patient. Be patient. Ah, amazing. Sam, good for you. Thank you. Yes, that was yeah. As soon as I saw it fail up there, it was obvious. It was obvious. It was not going to be able. I'm glad I saw that, and I'm glad I reversed. Again, that is the beauty of a day trader. You can reverse. You should have your gut feeling, but you should be able to reverse. All right. What's going on here now? Fantastic. All right. Everybody's making money. That is beautiful. And if you didn't, you will. There's always another opportunity. Never be stuck on, oh my God, I didn't take that. Oh my God, I'm negative. Always see the light at the end of the tunnel. That's the beauty of trading. You could always make your money back. But you got to change your mindset. You got to step away from being negative. I lost money. I can't believe I lost money. You got to step away. If you need to take a break, take a break. You're not going to lose an opportunity if you take a break. You're actually giving yourself an opportunity to change your mindset. Everything is about mindset. If you guys haven't read the book, you got to go read the book called Mindset. I'm not in a trade, so I'll find it here. You got to read this book. It's called Mindset. My brother, he turned me on into it, and this book is incredible. You can get it on Kindle. You can get it on audiobook. This book is a must read. Go get this book. Oh, all right. I can't. The link is too long. on Amazon, but it's called Mindset, and the author is Dr. Carol Dweck. Carol Dweck is the author, and the book's called Mindset. It costs $13 on Kindle, paperback $12, one credit on the audiobook. But go get it. Mindset. All right, I gotta delete this. Oh, okay, yeah. Go check it out. Because either you have a mindset, either you have programmed your mind as a loser or as a winner, and you could change it. You know, if you're finding yourself struggling things in life, it's because you have pre-programmed yourself, or somebody programmed your mind. And it's not just being a winner or loser. Maybe there's an example of a mother saying to a daughter, you have a horrible voice, and the girl from a child on thought that she always had a horrible voice because of one time that the mother was in a bad mood and said, you know, shut up, you have a horrible voice, because she had a migraine or was tired of something. From that point on, the girl programmed her mind, oh, I have a bad voice. So stuff like that happens all the time without us even knowing, and the book explains all of that. So great book, $12. What is that? One Starbucks, two Starbucks. I don't do Starbucks, but yeah. Check it out. Yeah, maybe your parents or friends said, you're stupid. And then you start thinking, oh, am I stupid? So, yeah, all right, guys. So it does look like it's trying to pull back, but it may not be the move yet. It may want to test 34. So this here now becomes resistance. All right, listen to you talk and analyze has really helped me see things. Fantastic, AB. That's what I like to hear. The market is like a river, keeps flowing. Exactly. Well put. Well put, Race. You close your short, but you made some money, Irony. I know you. You made some money. $1,000, Richard. That is incredible. Good move. I love you too, Raj. There you go. We're all seeing that there are possibilities to make money in the market. All right. So something big is going to happen now. I don't have a call, but this could be the next leg down to finish this target. I don't have anything. I'm not taking. I think it needs to pull back more, but I think it needs to test 34, 35 area. So I'm going to wait. But if you're seeing it that's going to drop, this could be the entry, but you have to be careful because you got to have a stop at least above 35. Let's check out on Delta, negative 6,000. Market, negative 23, NQ 190. And YM is positive. Whoa, okay, guys. YM is positive. Let's go and take a look at the heat map real quick. Let's see what's up with the heat map. Okay. All right. All of the big players are still negative except for Tesla. So I would say, rough luck, I would say that market, the S&P is positive about 65%, maybe 60. So either YM needs to catch up, or we're gonna have a reversal. But I have seen days where they don't correlate because each has their own stocks, right? YM is the Dow 30, so has its own 30 companies. The S&P is the 500 companies, so they don't have to correlate, but they usually do. They usually do. All right, let's see if we have any questions here. Looks like the audio book. From your experience, how does the market act during the start and end of the month? It depends on each month. It depends on each quarter. I think it's more based on quarters, not at the beginning of the month. Like next month, we have what is it called? I'm drawing a blank now. What is it? On the 3rd, there's a report on the 3rd. I forgot which one it is. FOMC we have on the 3rd. So beginning of next month should dictate where the market will be for the first 2 weeks, right? But these are new. We haven't been in this type of economy for a long time, so it's hard to say. But I think that the market moves in quarters. Lines, let's go over our lines. This is the overnight VPOC. This is yesterday's low. The green line is the overnight value area. So there's one here and there's another one up here. So we're back in the overnight value area. Purple targets are, magenta lines are targets. Oh, I have to work on my, let's see. We need to do my extended range target. All right, where did the market open up? Market opened up at 50. So I believe it's going to be a 50 point so 38 is 3804 is on the low end. And then the upper end is going to be 96. So almost yesterday's high. Almost yesterday's high. So all the way up there, 38.96, or all the way down here, 04.05. Wow, look at this pullback. That's exactly why I didn't want to go short. Look at that. Are we done on the downside? I don't know, but we did fix some of the support structure, And I need to fix this. All right. Yes, fresh new look. All right. In at 33, stopped at 48. All right. Okay. All right, let's see now. Let's get back to looking at this. Oh wow, we're all the way here at opening price. Okay. We shouldn't be up here. I think it's too early for. All right, I got nothing. Wow. We're either gonna go and test the RTH high, which I did say it was weak, but it was better than the low. The RTH low right now looks pretty solid, so we may test 50 again. Yeah, it is way too early to be up here. Or this could be a value day. We could drop a little more here, test this, and then go and do. So this could be an outside in move, right? The end, this is the outside, back all the way up. So it could be a value day. Could be a value day. So either we're going to go and fail from here, or we're going to go to the opposite end. Now we got poor structure. Everything above is poor structure here. So market may want to fix this now. So all of this here, this is all poor structure. So it may want to work on this now. I do not, OJ. Ranko 4. I got Ranko 4, Ranko 6, 12, and 24. Yeah, I would be careful in shorts. It may want to fix. Yeah, I got nothing. I got nothing, and if I see it stay choppy, I may end my trading. I'll hang out, but I may not take any more trades. If you made money, I'll see you tomorrow. You don't have to hang out. If you feel that you reached your profit target, don't hang out. I won't feel bad if you leave. Do yourself a favor. Okay, then put your charts in sim. Turn all of your charts to sim. You're gonna hang out because if you turn your charts to sim and then you turn it back to trade, that's showing you have an issue that you need to work on, and that is discipline. So if you find yourself oh my god, look at the market, now it's falling, I'm gonna take a trade. If that is happening to you, then you have no discipline, and that's something that you need to work on. Guillermo, fantastic. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, if you're finding yourself turning your charts back into trading mode after you made money and you told yourself I'm done, then your biggest issue is discipline and being good to yourself. Yeah, I'm gonna watch here because This is exactly what they want to do to you. They want to make you think, oh, okay, market is going up and then it goes down. So they want to trick us all. It's part of their game. Yeah, there's always more money. There will always be money. Don't you know? They have a printing machine with a lot of ink and paper. They don't have issue with thinking that ink is expensive. They have a good deal on ink. Trust me. So don't think that, oh, I'm losing out on opportunity. And here we are fixing the port structure. Fantastic, Big Spark. Good for you. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, here we are eating up the upper level here. This is exactly why I didn't want to go short. It looks like they're doing outside in. So now they're going to the upper level. Yep. The gold has been gone. Fort Knox may even be empty. They haven't shown us. When was the last time they actually went in there and shown us the gold? 1970. So it could be empty. Look at this. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you guys? I was probably going to go and test the upper end. And here we are. And I don't feel bad. I didn't take this. Why? Because I was not 100% sure. I had a feeling. I had a instinct, a gut feeling, but not enough to take a trade. Not enough to take a trade. So I'm not telling you, oh, I called this. No, I didn't call this. I said there was a possibility of doing outside in, but that was not okay. This is a trade. I mean, this looks like a trade here. It looks like tested, stop pick, boom, up. And here we are, back up. So next target is 70. And they fixed almost all of it in one swoop. Wow. Almost all of it in one swoop. So be careful, guys. It looks like a choppy morning. Even though we had these beautiful moves, very volatile. This is all volatile moves. It's not now looks like it's not respecting levels anymore. It went right through 50. Right here it respected 50, and here it went right through. Even though 50 was not significant, but for retailers it is. So I'm sure there were a lot of sellers at 50 and it went right through. That is incredible, Patro. That's exactly what you should be doing. That's how you learn. That's how you learn from your mistakes. Either a journal or either use your platform recording capability to record your trades and then play them back. Have notes. Why did I take this trade? How come I didn't take this trade when it was obvious? Journaling is very important. All right, next target up is 70. I got nothing. Because now it could be outside in, but they are the ones who choose what is the outside. But I think it's going to go to 72. Next target on the upside is going to be 66. All right, that target is done. What is that still showing? That's done. So let's take a look at. So we have resistance at 3,900. We have support at 3,834 and 3,800. Market stopped at 25. So using that just as reference of where the market is. So are we going to come down another 30 points? I don't know. I think it's going to be a balanced day, or we're going to go and tag the upper end. So yeah. So it's looking more and more like scenario 3, choppy, right? I said scenario 2 or 3. So now it's looking a mixture of 2 and 3. Structure I determine based on volume. And I said weak structure. Weak structure. So yeah, I guess if it's, I guess no structure, no structure is no structure. Weak structure is structure with faults, right? So it's weak structure. All right, so we just fixed that low RTH high. Is it gonna find resistance here and come and do another outside in? I think that we may test 50 before we see 70. Just a personal opinion. I could be wrong. It looks like we have momentum now. So it may also want to go and test 70 before it tests 50. So right now, nothing is clear. So either we're going to do this or we're going to do that. I got nothing. So if I got nothing, I'm out. If I got nothing, I'm out. So now we have POC at 38.59. 38.59. And I wasn't really looking at, but it did make some moves. Stop. So we have that natural gas coming out. Let's see if that does anything. Energy prices are high. It could do something. So POC, it went from, it was at 57. It went down to 54. So with that move down, it never moved. So not a lot of volume took exchanged at this low here. Not a lot of volume. So this here was all weak move. Because this move, it should have maybe moved a little bit more. POC. It didn't. So here we are. Another target hit. This is not a official target, but I believe that it will tag 72. This is a Renko 4 chart. Renko 4. Both of these are Renko 4. This is the ES. This is the MES. I trade both. Actually, on that note, I may stop the ES. I'll wait a bit. Okay. All right. Something big is going to happen here. So again, either we're going to go and test 70 or we're going to test 50. Thank you. Yeah, feels a lot lighter. I mean, I should have done this in the summer, not in the winter, but I'm in Newport Beach. It's not like it's going to get really cold here. All right, so I did say in the morning that I was going to be looking for shorts. Now I am completely lost. I was not expecting this big move up here, so yeah, nothing like Dakota, that's for sure. Yeah, it looks like you guys going to have a early winter, huh? Yeah, I am. So we migrated all the way across initial balance like it was nothing. Hot knife right through. Oh my God, that's, whew. Yeah. I snowboard. I like snow, but I could not live in a place that there's no ski or snowboarding. I don't know how you guys do it. To just live in the cold, just for the sake of it. You gotta be Scandinavian. Yeah. No, Canada. Oh my God. All right. Let's get back here into the market. So it's starting. Yeah, it's starting to look like it may want to test fit. Oh, POC moved up a little bit. So now we are at 60. So a lot of volume is exchanging right now. So this could be the move up to 70. They're either buying or selling, right? Something is going on up here. So, but POC is moving up. So it keeps moving up. So what's going on? They are buying more, right? Because more trades are happening on the upper level. So if POC is moving up or moving down, it moves that more trades are happening at the new level. So it keeps moving up. So if it's moving up and we are not falling, what does it mean? That more buys are exchanging to move up POC. It's common sense, but you still have to, okay, what's going on? You know, look at the big picture. Yes, great place. I agree. And that is the backbone of America, the working class. Imbalance. All right. Yeah, I got nothing. I got nothing. All right, we could have a pullback here. We may see 60. There could be a half a harmonic here, all the way down to 60. So not a recommendation, but there could be a long from 60. Just an observation. I'm not going to take it, but with this pullback, it may find support at 60 to then extend and go 12 to 14 points up. So anywhere here. So let's see how it deals with this area here, but solid little scalp. I don't scalp, so no, I don't have any recommendations. I'm sorry. If you need an accountant, I have an accountant, but I gotta admit, that part of the business I am not good at, so I trust my accountant and I let him do the work. But if you're gonna be trading as an income, I do suggest having an LLC. So you may need, if you're trading live, you may need to cancel your account and then reopen it as an LLC. And that's what I did. Once I realized that I was profitable enough, because you can't exchange, once you have your account open, you can't change it to an LLC. You got to open a brand new company. I mean a brand new account. Yeah, I can. All right, so looks like we may mess around in here for a little bit here. But he's got to be in California, right? I don't know if you live in California, because each state has their own laws. A market maker, no. A market maker is someone who has a seat in the exchange. That's what you're talking about. A market maker is a person that has a seat in the exchange. He has CME series, could be a 7, a 21. Depends on what sector of the market is in. That's something totally different. Oh, well, you just moved here? Everybody's leaving. Well, welcome to California. All right, guys, let's get back here trading. I am not a channel trader, but when they're obvious, you gotta pay attention to them when they're obvious. But I'm still seeing a pullback. I still feel that it needs to come down to 60 to see if it finds support or if it fails. So I'm still looking at that. So was that the clue, guys, that the YM was positive? When we were in the bottom, I said YM is positive. So was that the clue? Could have been. But again, they don't always correlate. And now NQ is negative. So it's starting to look like a choppy day. Starting to look like a choppy day. So either NQ needs to catch up or we're going to end up somewhere in here today. We may make another New high here. We just made a high. We'll may make another new high, but I don't know. Okay, we could have another pullback here, so there could be another possibility for the market to come back to 60. This would be a larger scalp. Just an observation, but be careful with a pullback here. If you're long, if you took a long here, I am tempted. I'm gonna maybe take a MES trade here. Let's see. But I'm afraid of 72. All right. Quick little scalp here. Not a scalp trader, but let's see. Oh, and if it starts going, I'm not gonna chase it. And I'm gonna have a quick stop. Quick stop. Not looking to risk a lot. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go. If it's not, it's not. So I'm risking what? I'm risking 26 bucks to make 135. Actually, I'm gonna get out at 61. Just looking for a pullback. Come on, hot knife right through 65. I'm ready to drop. Just looking to add some more chips to my MES. I thought I should have made more money on the MES. I got cheated on that 2-contract add-on, so I'm just adding a little more here. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Hot knife. Hot knife. Right through 65. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Wish I had a little more room here. I would move stop to entry. Keep going. Keep going. What's up? Dad got a new haircut. Where a lot of interest is growing at 60. 137 orders waiting. Oh, come on. It could find support here. It could find support here. Go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, I'm getting out at 50. 75. So I'm going to make $112 if it hits my target. Come on. Oh. Come on. Do not find support. Keep going. Flush right through. Right through. Go, 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 go. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Go, 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 go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. I'm tempted to get out. I'm getting out. Yes! Woohoo! Nice. Nice little trade. Nice little trade. Might have got out a little bit too early, but I am not a scalper, so. Nice little pullback as I expected. Boom. All right. That was a clean little trade. Wish I had more in it, but I'm not willing to give any money back. Oh, and there it is. Straight to target. Straight to 60. Boom. Good for you. Good for you. 30 bucks. Good for you. All right, straight to target. Yeah, I knew a pullback was coming. All right. So are they doing again? Outside in. Could be. It could test 50. Next on the downside would be 50. If it goes to 50, guys, I'm going to end my day. Because that is going to show to me that this market is way too choppy and I want no part of it. So far, ES, positive, 858. This is all after commissions. And the MES, 402. Yep, there we go. Mad Max is adding up the score. And here we are. See, this is insane, guys. This is, yeah. Market is undecisive. And that was that break in IB? Hold on. We need to check if IB was broken. So, yeah. So we broke IB and the market failed. That is significant. Need to take note of that. We broke IB, right? So right here we had IB stat. We broke IB and it failed. It didn't flush through. So take note of that. That is very significant. It should have flushed right through and it didn't. So it found resistance at IB high. And here we are at 50, mid 50s. Okay. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call it the day. I'm happy with my profits. I don't need to trade anymore. I want to make sure that I don't take any chances here. So I suggest you do the same. Initial balance, the first half hour or the first hour of trading. All right, guys, I'm done. I appreciate you all. And hit me up with some thumbs up if you made any money, if you found this entertaining. There's 200 people watching. All I have is 100 thumbs up. So I would appreciate, and it helped you find me. It's going to help other traders find me also. So it's for all of us. All right. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you all. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you're not going to trade, if you're going to watch, dial to Sim. Thank you, everyone.